Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today we'll be making spinach puff pastry. I have about one package of spinach which I thawed and drained the water. I have a cup of feta cheese and I have about a cup of Philadelphia cream cheese. And I have half a teaspoon of salt, and I've already added about a teaspoon of black pepper in there. So we're gonna mix all these ingredients together. So I'm gonna add my spinach to the bowl, my feta cheese, cream cheese. It's better if it's room temperature, it's easier to mix. And half a teaspoon of salt. And I already have black pepper in the spinach. I'm just going to combine all these ingredients together. And this is what it looks like. So now we're going to spread them over our puff pastry. So now we're going to spread our spinach and cheese mixture over our puff pastry sheet. Let's make sure even spreading. Like that. And then we're going to slowly roll it. I'm making pinwheels, spinach puff pastry pinwheels. I'm gonna roll it. And I've already buttered my baking sheet. Cut it. We're going to place it like that. Maybe a half an inch of distance in between. And spread them out. So I've cut all the pieces and now it's ready for the oven, and we're going to bake this at 350 for about 20 minutes until golden brown. There you have it. Our spinach pastry is ready. Serve it with ketchup. It tastes and smells so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.